Very much. Now I would like to invite to take further the entire discussion Professor Dr. Saeed Akhter, who is Director of Urology and Transplant Surgery at Shifa International Islamabad. He is also the President of PKLI and President of Transplantation Society of Pakistan. Dr. Saeed Akhter. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rijan. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر. Honorable Chief Minister, the Ambassador, the Governor, and all the dignitaries. First of all, I am very grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that I am today speaking here as a reality is unfolding. 32 years ago, when I went to the United States for my education, I always used to think, would there be a day that I'll go back to the country and do something like we have seen in the United States. And you know, government has been presenting their cases in last presentations. But I want to tell you, as a totally neutral and independent person, that whatever has been said is actually happening on the ground. And that's why PKLI is there. Next slide, please. So next slide, please. So what is PKLI? PKLI is not an institution. PKLI is a dream. PKLI is an inspiration. PKLI is an organization which is a mission. And the mission is that people who are not as privileged as me and you are, they can be served with the best of their dignity and also impart the best of their education and the research facilities. Next slide. So we have 4 specific missions. Number 1, prevention. Number 2, treatment of the highest quality. But I think the most important mission that we have at the end of the day is education. And we want that in the next 10 years, there'll be a whole crop of doctors, nurses, paramedics, scientists, transplant surgeons, transplant physicians, and then this does not stop just with the kidney and liver, inshallah. We'll go to heart and the lung and the neurosciences and the pediatrics and the cancer, etc. So we have 60 acres of land, and this will become like a medical center. And the research is extremely important for us, and we've already started our research projects. Next one, please. So what is excellence in medicine and surgery? 3 basic components. Infrastructure, and you'll see we have a beautiful infrastructure. The most important thing is a human resource, and I think every organization which actually becomes an organization, it happens because of the people who are dedicated, who are committed, and these are the type of people we are trying to recruit. And alhamdulillah, we have already recruited 80 physicians from UK and United States who are willing to come back and join hands in our mission. So alhamdulillah, this is a big success. But the thing does not work unless you have systems. So this will be an organization where systems will be in place, and we'll be actually operating something like you have seen in the United States or UK. Next slide, please. And so this is going to be a big hospital, 800 beds, 100 emergency, 100 ICU beds, outpatient dialysis facility, 20 operating rooms, endoscopy suites, and the whole yard that takes. And this is inshallah going to commission on 25th of December, the first phase of it. Next slide, please. And I will rapidly take you through our history, because history is important. And so this is how it started 2.5 years ago. And with the extreme support from the Chief Minister, entire system of the governance from Punjab, be it P&D, IT Board, Health Department, IDAP, you name it, and everybody has become, so they are all part of this mission actually, and they have taken it with the missionary. Next. Keep going. So we signed the contract with the government as a totally independent organization working with the government. Next slide, please. And this is the vision which is coming into the reality. Keep going, please. Next. Next. So it's beautifully designed with some of the foreigner consultants. Everything has been given due attention. Keep going, please. Go on. First step. Next. 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 So this is, go back 1 second. So this is how it was 2 years ago. There was nothing on the ground. And now, go ahead, please. And in next step, please. So with the utmost attention and compassion and utmost a commitment from the Chief Minister, who holds the meeting with us every couple of weeks actually. You know, keep going, please. Next. So this is how it is. And in next 2 months, the first 4 floors that you see here will be operational at the first phase with 100 beds. This is absolutely amazing. After Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I'm thankful to all the machinery from the Punjab government for help making it. Next slide, please. So it doesn't stop here. We also started to address the hepatitis prevention issue as part of our mission. Next slide, please. So this is where the main PKLI is in Lahore. And in 25 centers, along with other agencies, other departments of the government helping us, we are building 25 prevention and treatment centers. Next. And this is our center, which is already operational in Lahore. Alhamdulillah, we see every day 300 to 400 patients now. The capacity was 300, but now we have gone to 400. Next slide, please. This is, people are seen with, it's a very clean environment. People are seen with dignity and with respect, and everything is offered to them at this point is free of cost.
Entirely free medicine.
Entirely free medicine. And not only medicine, sir, the labs and diagnostics are very, very expensive, and they are all very free. Next slide, please. And then we opened a center in Kasur, Jhelum, Rajanpur, and others are opening. Next slide, please. Next. So what would PKLI offer you as professionals? And I'm specifically addressing to people who are sitting in this room. This will be the best infrastructure in the country. We are going to be JCI approved hospital. Best system under one roof. It will be a paperless system because we believe that data is the key, and I think we need to look into the paperless system. And this environment based on professionalism, mutual dignity, and respect. We will have one of the things that I know as a person coming from the United States, one of the things that frustrates the hell out of you is if you don't have the gadgets that are required, because this is all high-tech stuff. So PKLI is there to offer you all the gadgets that you need and tools. And this will be not only, and then again, you can't work with an empty stomach. So best competitive salary, you work hard, you make money. And then the best part would be the opportunity to teach at the undergrad and the postgrad level. And also whoever are professors sitting here, this will be one of the best facilities where you'll have a very, very good basic science lab and clinical research. And basically, gentlemen, our vision is that we want to make this as a Harvard or Oxford of Pakistan. These institutions were not made by angels, they were made by humans like us. So if I can do this in America, you can do it in UK, we can do this in Pakistan. I have absolute belief into that. Next slide, please. So what does PKI expect from you? We want professionalism from you, time and opportunity to give back to the country, participating, build your nation. This is an opportunity. Treat everyone with dignity and respect, participate in teaching and research, and we have locum work available. Our minimum locum is 2 weeks. Dr. Farooq Khan and Dr. Asim has already signed the contract. We're sitting here. Farooq has been visiting back and forth, and he's very, very happy with this experience and come and help us build the Harvard. Next. So, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to conclude by thanking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for what we have achieved in 2 years. And I want to tell you that don't stop dreaming, because it is important to dream. But work for it, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will make the dream come true. Now I would like to invite Dr. Umar Saif, who is currently the chairman of Punjab IT Board, and he's advisor to Chief Minister regarding all the public sector IT issues. He has done his PhD in computer sciences from Cambridge University and has taught at MIT before returning to Pakistan. He is the founding vice chancellor of newly established IT University.